WITSON.
Alright, so today we are going to install a radio for the Honda CRV 2017. This is the head unit, and these are all the power harness. This is the canvas box. These are those kind of adapters for the factory radio antenna. And this one is a 4G SIM card. These are those RC jacks for aftermarket subwoofers and amplifiers. This is an external mic for phone calls, and these are two USB ports. This one is for the aftermarket backup camera or for the factory backup camera. This is this is a 4G antenna. This one is the GPS antenna. So the factory radio originally looks like. It has a very small screen and has a factory backup camera, but no side camera. Okay, so just pry it out. Yes, alright. Yeah, and then remove this one. And then we can see two screws, one here and one here. Just remove them, and then we can take the radio out. Okay. 好了，然后你就拔线是吧？ Okay, now let's take a quick look at this fantastic video. And this is the CarPlay interface. Yeah, so we can use all the apps in the phone, also use navigation. Meanwhile, the factory steering wheel control are all retained. Yeah, volume up and volume down, and next track and the previous track. Also, let's take a look at the backup camera. Okay, yeah, just perfect. Very clear resolution, and small. This is we get 7 physical buttons, and you can just adjust the color of them by yourself. And this is the apps, building apps, and let's play some music. And play some video. And their DSP, you can adjust yourself. Okay. Yeah, what a wonderful script. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
WITSON.